Hey millennials, we back at it again. Okay, follow me for more content like this. Please like, please follow. But you know you need a compost. I didn't know that I needed a compost until just recently, okay? I mean, the world is shit, so we gotta make do with what we can. But anyway, I went to Target and got a large bin. I think it's a 27 gallon bin. I think it was like $10, mad cheap, okay? But go get you a bin while they're this cheap, okay? Because they ain't gonna be this cheap this long. Go get you a bin and go get you a drill. You need a 1/4 drill bit. You're gonna drill a bunch of holes in them. Make them as uniform as possible because it's gonna help the airflow, and also to like holes that aren't uniform give me the ick. So please do it properly. I don't want to see y'all do it and then it not look good, okay? Don't blame it on me if it don't look good. But anyway, make the holes as uniform as possible. I think I did like 40 holes on the bottom and then like maybe between 25 and 30 holes on each side. But you need to make sure that you put enough holes in them so it has good airflow and so that the little, critters can get in there. If you hear little Miss Rachel in the background, I mean, we got kids. You'll be fine. But anyway, you also need to drill holes in the top, okay? Every single part of this compost bin you need to drill holes in, okay? Like I said, you need to make sure the airflow is good. But also, too, remember that when you're drilling holes, you can have, like, as many holes as you can, but don't make them large. They don't need to be large holes. They all need to be the same size hole, uniform as possible, okay? But anyway, look at all the holes in there. Perfect. It looks great. Okay, now we're going to start layering this. I did the layering, like lasagna method, where I did browns and whatnot, and like cardboard matter, I guess if you want to call it. I didn't really have a lot of cardboard, though. I just had some egg cartons. Don't use the egg cartons that are plastic, though. Please don't do that and mess it up, okay? Just use the ones that are made out of cardboard. You can tell, because most times when you pick them up in the store, you're about to drop an egg or two out of them, okay? But anyway, I had a bunch of frozen compost, as y'all saw me, saving up. And I told y'all to start saving it too in my previous videos, because this is what we were going to do with them, okay? It's frozen, so it was a little hard, but you can break it up as much as you can. You can use a pitchfork or whatever, garden tools that you have to break it up too. It's mad easy. Like, I don't know why a lot of us don't do this already. People think it's a burden, but it's really not. I mean, granted, I'm not really that deep into it, but you're saving your scraps and you're putting leaves and dirt and cardboard or whatever the case is on top of it. And you're going to have dirt at the end of it, like really good, nutritious, nutrient dense, compost. That's awesome. Okay. It's like, and it helps your trash too. Like your trash, you don't have as much trash. It's a little extra step, in the kitchen, but you in the kitchen with me anyway. So you're fine. Okay. But anyway, like I said, I layered them with browns and then scraps and then browns and scraps again. Okay. Your scraps are going to be like eggshells, any like leftover fruits and vegetables, scraps from that. Don't do pasta. Don't do meats. Don't do like, breads and whatnot. Don't do any of that icky stuff. Cupcakes and whatnot that you're not going to eat. Put them in the trash, but you shouldn't have had them anyway. Okay. You shouldn't have had them anyway. But like I said, you're going to mix all this up. And the next step is after you layer all the stuff, or after you put it all in there. You don't really have to layer it if you're going to mix it up, or if you have a compost bin that actually turns and mixes the stuff for you. But I don't have that. We did it this way. Okay. So once you do that, you need to pour water on it. I just use my water hose. No big deal. But also, once you do it, you need to look at the bottom and make sure that you have good drainage. That's the number one thing for the compost, is to make sure that it's going to drain at the bottom and to make sure that the little critters can get in there and make it into compost, okay? But like I said, I broke this up as much as I could. And yeah, we're just going to see what happens. I would love to see what y'all do too with it, okay? Please like and subscribe. Follow me for more content like this. Love you guys.